हेलो क्लास। हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं हमारे प्रीवियस लेक्चर को जो कि था शेयर स्ट्रेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पर। और हम लास्ट क्लासेस में देख चुके हैं रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन पे शेयर स्ट्रेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड सर्कुलर सेक्शन पे। सो आज हम देखेंगे शेयर स्ट्रेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन ट्रायंगुलर सेक्शन। सो हियर इज अ ट्रायंगुलर सेक्शन, base width b and height h, and the neutral axis of the triangle lies at the CG. So it will h by 3 from base, and the neutral axis at a distance from top is 2h by 3. So consider a label EF where we want to shear stress which is at a distance y from neutral axis. So here is the shear stress equation, tau equals to F A y bar by IB. So first we calculate AY bar. What is AY bar? It is moment of the shaded area about the neutral axis. So so area of the ECF and into the distance of CG of shaded area from the neutral axis. So half EF into X, this is the area of the shaded area, into this is distance from neutral axis. So half into the first we calculate EF. So EF, we are using similar triangle rule. So EF by AB equals to EF by AB equals to X by H. Okay, base divided by base and height divided by height. This is equal. Okay, so EF, we calculate EF. So equals to X by H into AB, and AB is B, width B. So we put here. So we calculate and simplify this. So it will get half over 1 by third bx square by h bracket h minus x. Now the actual width of the EF we calculated here. So it will xb by h. Now put these values in the equation of shear stress F into AY bar. So value of AY bar is this, and divide by IB, and B value is here. So we simplify this and it will get f by 3i hx minus x square. Now at x equals to 0, that means at the top of the section, so it will give shear stress equals to 0. And at the neutral axis, that means x equals to 2h by 3. So it put the value of x 2h by 3, and it will give 2 by 27 fh square by I. Okay, you simplify these terms here, and then it will give 2 by 27 fh square by I. Now we know moment of inertia of the triangular section is bh cube by 36. So we will put the value of moment of inertia in shear stress at neutral axis. So it will give 8 by 3 f by dh. Now we know shear force divided by area of the triangular section is average shear stress. So neutral axis in terms of average shear stress is 4 by 3 tau average. Now we find out maximum shear stress. So maximum shear stress at any depth x is the equation we already finding out. Here is the shear stress equation, tau equals to 3 f by 3i hx minus x square. Now for the maximum condition, we differentiate this equation with respect to x and equating with the 0. So differentiate with this equation with respect to x. So hx, it will give h, differentiate x, that means x equals to x, differentiate of hx is give h, and 2x is, it will give 2x. So here x equals to h by 2. Okay, now substituting this x equals to h by 2, we will put here value of x. So it will give 3f by dh, and the relation between tau maximum and the tau average is 1.5 tau average. Okay, because we know tau average equals to 2f by dh. So tau max equals to 1.5 tau average. Now this is the shear stress distribution. Here is shear stress distribution, which is h by 2 from top or bottom. Here is the neutral axis. Here is neutral axis. The variation is parabolic because tau is directly proportional to x square. So the variation is parabolic, and here is tau maximum, and the distance between neutral axis and the tau maximum point is h by 6. End of the derivation. Now the next question is, a beam of square section is used as a beam with one diagonal horizontal. The beam is subjected to a shear force F at a section. Find the maximum shear stress in the cross section of the beam and draw the shear distribution diagram for the section. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है कि फाइंड द मैक्सिमम shear stress फाइंड आउट करना है सेक्शन पे, ठीक है. सो वी कंसिडर अ square beam ABCD having diagonal AC is horizontal. So here is AC is horizontal and the neutral axis is passing through the AC, Let the diagonal width is D. So consider a part EF. So here we assume we calculate first upper part, which is similar to the lower part. Okay, so consider label EF at upper part at a distance of y from neutral axis. Here is the shear stress equation, tau equals to FAY bar by IB. So first we calculate AY bar, which is equals to half EF into x into distance of the CG of the shaded area from the neutral axis is b by 2 minus 2 by 3 x. 2 by 3x is CG of the shaded area from top. So EF, we use similar triangle rule. So EF by CA equals to x by b by 2. Okay, so EF is equals to 2x because CA is D. Now simplify this equation, it will give x square bracket b by 2 minus 2 by 3 x. Now moment of inertia. Calculation for the moment of inertia, there is a two process. First is by integrating this portion, and second is parallel axis theorem. So both give same result. First, in integrating, first we consider a element of dy thickness. So dA is d by h minus y into dy. This is dA in y bar. So y square y square dA is moment of inertia. So integrate this term, this equation. So it will give dh cube by 6. Or in another method, there is two sections. So there is two triangular sections. So 2, and this is moment of inertia of triangular section plus area of triangular section, and CG of the triangle, distance between CG of the triangle and the neutral axis of whole figure is h dash. So we will put these values. So it will give bh cube by 6. Now bh equals to b by 2. So we simplify the term, it will give b to the power 4 by 48. So and we know the actual width of EF is 2x because we calculate here EF equals to 2x. Now put the values. So tau equals to FAY bar by IB. So AY bar equals to x square bracket b by 2 minus 2x by 3, and I value is b to the power of 4 by 48, and b value is 2x. We will put here and simplify these terms. So it will give 4f by b square into x bracket 3b minus 4x. Now at x equals to 0, At x equals to 0, shear stress will be 0, and at x equals to b by 2, that means at neutral axis, so we will put x equals to b by 2, so tau equals to tau at neutral axis, shear stress at neutral axis is 2f by b square. Simplify these terms and it will give tau shear stress at neutral axis equals to 2f by b square. Now for the maximum shear stress, we will differentiate the shear stress equation with respect to x and equate to 0. So differentiate with respect to x. So here x is differentiated with respect to x, it will give 1, so 3b, and x square is 2x, 2 into 4 is 8, then minus 8x, it equals to, so it will give x equals to 3b by 8. That means the maximum shear stress at x equals to 3b by 8. Now substitute these values, so tau maximum is, substitute this value this equation in this equation and it will give maximum shear stress. So what is maximum shear stress? Simplify these terms and will give 9 by 8 tau average, or 9 by 4 f by b square. This is the tau maximum. Now the shear stress distribution, because so the shear stress is directly proportional to x square, because this term is quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation, so shear stress distribution is parabolic. Here is, so this is for upper part and this same as lower part. So this will end, and thank you.